In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate QuickBooks with Clio. This process is quite straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, let's start by opening Clio Manage. Once you're logged into Clio Manage, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find various options to customize and manage your Clio account. From this menu, you want to locate and click on Settings. Clicking on Settings will open up a new set of options, and this is where you'll be able to manage integrations and other features within Clio. As you scroll through the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Bill Syncing. This is an important section as it allows you to manage how your billing data is shared with other platforms. Click on Bill Syncing to proceed. Once you're in the Bill Syncing section, you'll see a list of available billing integrations. Here, you want to locate QuickBooks Online. Clio has made it easy by listing popular integrations, so QuickBooks Online should be fairly easy to spot. Next to QuickBooks Online, you'll notice a button that says Connect to QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on this button. By clicking Connect to QuickBooks, you initiate the integration process between Clio and QuickBooks Online. At this point, you may be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you have your QuickBooks credentials handy for this step. Once you've logged into QuickBooks Online, Clio will ask for permission to access your QuickBooks data. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your data remains secure and that you're in control of what information is shared between the two platforms. Review the permissions, and if you're comfortable, grant Clio access to your QuickBooks account. After you've granted the necessary permissions, the integration process will continue automatically. Clio will sync with QuickBooks, allowing your billing information and financial data to flow seamlessly between the two platforms. This integration is designed to save you time and effort by eliminating the need for manual data entry and ensuring that your financial records are always up to date. And that's it. You've successfully integrated QuickBooks with Clio. With these platforms now connected, you can enjoy a more streamlined billing process, improved financial oversight, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your data is accurate and current. If you encounter any issues during the integration process, don't hesitate to reach out to Clio or QuickBooks support for assistance. Both platforms offer robust support options to help you resolve any problems you might face. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. By integrating QuickBooks with Clio, you're taking an important step towards more efficient and effective financial management within your practice. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your software tools.